Right, the final bit of the project was to show you, my objective was to show you the SMLT within the Nortel networks, which gives the resiliency to this design. What I'm going to do is show you that resilience is by, first of all, going to the local area network switch and taking out connections one at a time to show you that the multicast will still function while one of the connections is out and while the other one's in. And then what I'll do is I'll remove both of the connections and the network will totally stop working. However, the other thing is, because we've got the server on the same edge switch, for this showing of this, what will mean is that the multicast will stop streaming across the wide area network. The thing is that we should have due to the lack of equipment, we couldn't actually provide a separate switch, so we could have the server on a separate VLAN and everything, and give it extra resiliency in the sense that if you lose connection to that, the video streaming server should have carried on streaming, and nobody else would have lost the connection within the wide area network or locally within this difference of nets. Okay, right, I'm just going to bend down here. Okay, I'm going to first of all take this link one.
Hang on a minute, man. Right, go on then.
Link 1.3 out first, which is actually going to the top core box here, which is test city B, and it's going into port 1.3. Reason being, it's the first blade, so that's blade 1, and the port 3 is for 3, so it's 1/3. So I'm going to take out the uplink cable to the port 47, and once I pull this out, the network does still carry on working. So I have pulled it out, and as you can see, graphically you can still see multicast being streamed and the video is still being shown. So I'm going to put this back in again, and I'm going to pull out the link at the bottom. So okay, that's done, and you can see that the multicast is running. The interesting I want to just show you a bit there is quickly, when I pulled the link out there, you didn't see it on the screen, but there was a slight glitch when the net basically swapped over to the resilient network connection. There was no loss of picture, there was no, as you saw from the video recording. So what I'm going to do is put this back again. And the network's up and running fine without any problems. Now what we're going to do is just to show that we're not cheating or anything like that, we are going to basically remove both links and show you that the local area network is going to be lost. Also because of because the server's on the same unit here, is going to lose connection as well. So we will basically lose connectivity to a wide area network, so there will be no streaming at all. So here it goes. Right, both links are out. And as you can see on the graph, as you can see, the video is still streaming, but we lost network connectivity, and we've lost multicast streams here, and there's no video being played at all.
Yeah, I'll just show the other end as well. Yeah. As you can see over here, it's also stopped.
Right, the interesting bit now is going to be when I actually put both of the connections back in. The streaming video is playing at this specific stage, so when I plug the connection back in, it should start playing where the stream should start playing where this video the server is streaming from. So Here we go. That connection's back in. And that connection's back in. Now, as you can see, the wide area network streaming has actually already come up and is streaming at the same stage as the server streaming, and the local area network connection has also come back in again and is streaming at the same stage. So that's that graph showing where we lost connectivity. When the link's back in again, the multicast traffic's back is streaming and is back up and running again there. And if you want to just go and show it on the other side, it should be the same.
There we go.
The only thing I want to just show you now is that if you were to lose a connectivity link from one of the routing switches, which is actually routing the traffic across the wide area network, you'll be able to see that locally the network will carry on working because it's streaming within that. And if I take one connection at a time, the network shouldn't cause any problems at all. We still have a live network running. If you were to lose, when we lose both connections, then the wide area network basically totally lose streaming from here on the other side, but the local area network, because it's on a separate subnet and within that local area, it'll still carry on working. Okay, I'm going to take out the first top link, which will show if you look, if you keep on the third machine on the right hand side, which is on the wide area network, I've taken out the link, as you can see, and you still have video streaming.
Yep.
You can see it graphically, and if I pull that back, now I'm going to take the bottom link out, and that's out. There was just a slight glitch there. No, sorry. That wasn't plugged in properly.